7 ways to boost testosterone naturally.
1. Zinc, 25 mg day. Zinc, essential for testosterone production and metabolism. 2. Walking, 30 mins day. Walking helps to manage weight and reduce stress, both of which can positively impact testosterone levels. 3. Vitamin D, 2000 IU day. Vitamin D, crucial for hormone regulation, including testosterone. 4. Tonkat Ali, 400 mg day. Tonkat Ali, a herbal supplement believed to increase testosterone levels and improve sexual health. 5. Night sleep, 7-9 hours day. Adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels, including testosterone. 6. Daily sunlight, 30 mins day. Sunlight. Exposure helps the body produce vitamin D, which supports testosterone production. 7. Lifting weights, 3 times week. Weightlifting stimulates testosterone production and promotes muscle growth, especially when combined with adequate rest and nutrition.